The real trick comes not in calculating average CLV, but then interpreting it. And this is where some sensitivity analysis comes in. So this is how I've attacked this sensitivity analysis. I've built a number of tables that look at each of the components of CLV: subscription price, contribution margin, the discount rate, churn, and then I've looked at a range going from -20, so that number goes down 20%, to +20, it grows by 20%. And that gives me a number of different scenarios around each of those measures. Now, you could literally start plugging those new numbers into your model and just recording your marketing ROI at each. It's going to be really tedious. It's going to take a long time. But there is a way in Excel, and there's a video out on the course site so that you can see this, but just to walk through it, you can create what Excel calls a data table using their what-if analysis. Basically, you set the range of values, and they have to be values. So right now, I just have these calculations because I basically said, look to this, look to the range and then calculate the new CAC. So the first thing I need to do is turn those into actual values. Second. I just calculated the value. Base values, there we go. So now I just have the values there. So once you have values in that range, it's as simple as just, because I have the MRI pointing there, highlight the whole thing. Go under the data tab, go to the what if analysis. I'm looking to create a data table. The input that I'm building this around is CAC. So it's simply for this, because it's a column of input, I'm just going to call this cell the input range, hit OK. And now what this data table did is it ran all those different scenarios through my model and produced the corresponding marketing ROI, right? So like I said, you could do that by hand. You could just enter those in one after another and report it. It's going to be really tedious. But if you learn how to use the data table function, then it'll automatically just kick out that scenario analysis.